Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX 4-seater. We've just installed the UTVMA rear bench seat on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the seat. The seat does replace the 2 stock seats, allowing the seating for 3 people. It does come with all of the mounting hardware as well as the 3 harnesses. You can see the legroom in there. Now the middle person is going to either put their feet up on where the cup holders go or off to the sides. So keep that in mind. It does not replace those cup holders on there. You can see around the back side, you still have the ability to put in the rear cargo box in the back window. The harnesses are adjustable, of course. Automotive style latch there on the lap. You do have the sternum strap also. You're going to put your smallest kid in the middle, of course. But a great way to turn your RMAX into a 5-seater. You can do this on the 850 as well. Installation, pretty easy. We can get these shipped out to you today. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.